Alexei Matveev, director of the Mikoyan Experimental Design Bureau, has stated that Russia intends to substitute Czech-made trainer aircraft with completely Russian-made alternatives. The Russian Aviation School continues to use the well-known L-39 Albatros trainer, which made its first flight in 1968. The Russian Aviation School has long relied on this aircraft as the primary trainer for pilot preparation. However, its design and technical specifications are now obsolete, necessitating the modernization of the training aviation base. Over the coming years, the development of new training aircraft is expected to accelerate, enabling the complete phase-out of Czech-made aircraft in Russian training units. This action not only represents a technological advancement, but also a strategic choice to bolster the nation's defense capabilities through the exclusive use of domestic equipment. Alexei Matveev observed that the introduction of new models will be phased to guarantee a seamless transition and preserve the quality of pilot training. The Russian defense industry plans to introduce 3 crucial models for separate training stages. MiG-UTS aircraft will replace the antiquated flying desks during the initial pilot training phase. Subsequently, pilots will undergo training on the Yak-130, a contemporary, sophisticated jet trainer that integrates combat and training capabilities. The third stage will involve the new UTS-800 aircraft, which is currently in the development phase, but has the potential to become a technologically advanced and effective training solution for the purpose of further pilot preparation. The MiG-UTS, or Educational Training Aircraft, has been specifically designed to meet the unique requirements for beginner flight education. Its primary objective is to offer a dependable, adaptable platform that facilitates the development of fundamental pilot skills. The MiG-UTS is designed to be highly adaptable, capable of simulating a diverse array of flight conditions, and preparing students for the intricacies of advanced jet operation. It is built with modern technology, safety features, and flying qualities that are similar to real combat planes, helping students learn important reflexes and decision-making skills right from the start. The MiG-UTS is characterized by its emphasis on the transition from basic flight training to more complex trainers or combat aircraft, such as the Yak-130, which is one of its most significant advantages. The MiG-UTS reduces the risk of accidents and enhances the efficacy of training by emphasizing a realistic yet accessible flight experience that assists pilots in gradually developing confidence and competence. The aircraft includes digital flight control systems and advanced navigation and communication tools to help pilots learn the modern technologies they will use in today's air forces. Reducing the learning curve when pilots transition to frontline aircraft enhances the overall quality and responsiveness of the aircrew. The MiG-UTS is designed to withstand frequent training sorties without incurring excessive maintenance delay or operational costs, thanks to its Ivchenko Progress AI-222-25 engine power plant, which is optimized for reliability and economy. It also boasts a sturdy build. This durability is essential for an aircraft that is designed to fulfill a training function, where high utilization rates are the norm. Furthermore, the airframe design prioritizes optimal handling during critical maneuvers and at low velocities, which is crucial for novice pilots who are developing their aerobatic, takeoff, and landing capabilities. Instructor oversight and interaction are facilitated by the cockpit layout, which is meticulously designed with dual controls and a clear, ergonomic panel configuration, thereby improving the teaching environment and student safety. The MiG-UTS's strategic significance is not limited to its technical specifications. It also serves as a symbol of Russia's transition to self-sufficiency in military aviation training. By creating and implementing an indigenous trainer, Russia reduces its reliance on foreign suppliers and the associated geopolitical risks. This is consistent with the overarching defense objectives of bolstering the domestic aerospace industry and ensuring operational continuity in the face of external influences. Furthermore, The MiG-UTS project fosters the development of new technologies in Russia, which can result in improved avionics, materials, and fabrication that can be beneficial to other military and civilian aerospace programs. Additionally, the MiG-UTS is engineered with the intention of accommodating future enhancements and scalability. The open systems interfaces and modular avionics architecture of the MiG-UTS allow for continuous modernization, eliminating the need for complete airframe redesigns. This adaptability guarantees that the aircraft can incorporate new training technologies and evolving operational requirements as they arise, thereby extending its service life and relevance. Training simulations and virtual teaching aids will make MiG-UTS-focused pilot training programs more cost-effective and efficient. By integrating digital training solutions with tangible aircraft, Russia aims to establish a comprehensive, next-generation pilot training ecosystem. In essence, the MiG-UTS is a substantial advancement in Russia's strategy for training the next generation of fighter pilots. It combines independent decision-making, flexible use, and modern design ideas to create a training platform that can adjust to future challenges and current needs. The MiG-UTS serves as the initial phase of a comprehensive training program, ensuring that Russia's aviation forces remain adaptable, capable, and prepared for a more complex global security environment. Pilots who subsequently operate advanced combat aircraft will have a solid foundation. Therefore, the objective of Russia's trainer aircraft upgrades program is to establish a comprehensive and continuous pilot training cycle on domestic equipment. This will enhance the quality of pilot training in the Russian Air Force, as each stage, from basic training to the mastery of intricate combat maneuvers, will be conducted on hardware that is designed in accordance with contemporary standards and requirements. Additionally, the abandonment of foreign trainer aircraft renders the training process less susceptible to external political influences and diminishes Russia's import dependence. In summary, the domestic aviation school's development is entering a new era with the replacement of the L-39 Albatros and other antiquated aircraft with Russian counterparts. The utilization of the MiG-UTS Yak-130 and UTS-800 will enhance training, enhance safety, and adjust pilot preparation to today's challenges. This program is a critical stage in the development of a Russian Air Force training system that is entirely self-sufficient, utilizing national scientific and technical advancements to assist the national aviation industry. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please take our channel membership, which is very affordable, to encourage us